What moves stock prices? This is the valuations of the companies. Red means expensive, on the basis that you're paying $33 for every future dollar of profits forecast on Microsoft, whereas for ExxonMobil, you're only paying $11.30. Okay. So if that's the case, how come Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Broadcom, which is this one, AVGO, are the ones which are moving the most? And how come energy and financial stocks are not? Because valuation is not the only thing that moves stock prices. It is one of several factors. For instance, revenue growth, profit growth, cash flow growth, momentum are all relevant. So is past performance and past trends as well, both stock price and just the general trend in the stock. All of these things are relevant. So when people say, oh, it's too expensive, I don't think I want to buy it, they're idiots when they just look at one factor, I'm afraid, and they have no idea what they're doing, which is why they wonder why their portfolio's not performing well and why that wonderful stock, which keeps rising, is not in their portfolio, and they don't know what to do. They don't have a strategy, and they get left behind. Ignorance is incredibly costly.